cruise sensation. We have just got to our stateroom. Come on in, let me show you around. First, here you have our bathroom. Step up, you got your got your two twin beds, nice little vanity so you can get up close and stuff on things. We got two chairs to sit. And then we also have the window. We actually have two little windows. You can actually crawl up in here and do a nice little photo shoot. And we got two little end tables. I guess we could use as nightstands if we like. Nice little 20-inch TV. There's our closet area here. Nice.
Fire is especially dangerous at sea. For this reason, we ask that everyone adhere to the following safety rules. Never smoke in bed. Smoking is strictly prohibited in all guest staterooms, impounding cigarette butts and hot ashes, which can blow back into the ship and create a fire hazard. Please smoke only in designated smoking areas and properly extinguish smoking materials in ashtrays. Never leave smoking.
And this is our stateroom. Carnival sensation.